In today's video, we will show you the 10 amazing benefits from using castor oil. But before we dive into these benefits, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now let's begin. Number 1. Promotes hair growth. If you're looking to grow longer, thicker, and healthier hair, castor oil might be the solution. This oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, which improves blood circulation to the scalp and strengthens hair follicles. It reduces breakage and split ends, making your hair look fuller and shinier. To use it, warm a small amount, massage it into your scalp, and leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for maximum benefits. Pairing castor oil with coconut or argan oil can make it easier to apply. With consistent use, many people notice reduced hair thinning and better overall hair health. Whether you're dealing with hair loss or simply want stronger strands, castor oil can be a game changer. Plus, it's a natural, affordable alternative to expensive treatments. Number 2. Moisturizes skin. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin with castor oil's deep moisturizing properties. It acts as a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air into your skin. The fatty acids in castor oil penetrate deeply, making it ideal for dry areas like elbows, knees, and feet. You can also use it on your face as a night treatment for soft, glowing skin by morning. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and can even be used to soothe redness and irritation. For an extra hydrating boost, mix a few drops with your favorite lotion or body butter. Unlike synthetic products, castor oil is completely natural and free of harsh chemicals. Make it a part of your skincare routine for long-lasting hydration. Number 3. Treats constipation. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for constipation. Its secret lies in ricinoleic acid, which stimulates the muscles in your intestines to move waste along. Just 1 teaspoon can often provide relief within 6 to 8 hours. To make it more palatable, mix it with juice or warm water. However, it's important to use castor oil for this purpose sparingly, as overuse can lead to dehydration or cramping. This remedy is best for occasional constipation rather than daily use. Always consult a doctor if the problem persists. When used correctly, castor oil can be a fast-acting solution to digestive discomfort. Number 4. Boosts wound healing. Did you know castor oil can speed up the healing process for minor cuts and wounds? It forms a protective barrier over the skin, keeping out bacteria and preventing infections. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling, while its moisturizing effect prevents scabbing and scarring. Apply a small amount to the affected area and cover it with a clean bandage. For added benefits, mix it with tea tree oil to enhance its antibacterial power. It's also effective for treating burns, insect bites, and dry patches. Just make sure to clean the wound thoroughly before applying. This natural remedy can make your skin recovery faster and smoother. Number 5. Relieves joint pain. If joint pain is slowing you down, castor oil might provide the relief you need. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders for arthritis and sore muscles. To use, warm a small amount of castor oil and massage it into the painful area. Cover it with a cloth and apply a hot compress for 15 to 20 minutes to maximize its absorption. This method helps reduce stiffness and improves mobility. Unlike over-the-counter painkillers, castor oil is a natural and side-effect-free solution. Regular application can lead to long-term improvements in joint health. Whether it's your knees, shoulders, or wrists, this remedy is worth a try. Number 6. Reduces acne. Castor oil might seem counterintuitive for acne-prone skin, but its unique properties make it effective. It contains antibacterial compounds that target acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Additionally, its fatty acids moisturize your skin without clogging your pores. Start by cleansing your face, then apply a small amount to blemishes or acne-prone areas. Leave it on overnight and rinse in the morning for best results. Over time, it can also help fade acne scars, leaving your skin smoother and clearer. This gentle, natural remedy is a great alternative to harsh chemical treatments. Give it a try for glowing, healthier skin. Number 7. Supports healthy scalp. A healthy scalp is the foundation for strong, beautiful hair. and castor oil can help with that. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties target dandruff and scalp infections, while its moisturizing effect soothes dryness and itchiness. To use, massage the oil directly onto your scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour before washing it out. For stubborn dandruff, mix it with a few drops of tea tree oil for added effectiveness. Regular use can strengthen your hair roots, reducing hair fall and promoting growth. It's an easy way to maintain a clean, nourished scalp. Castor oil doesn't just treat the symptoms, it tackles the root of the problem. Make it part of your weekly hair care routine for lasting results. Number 8. Soothe skin. Irritation. If you suffer from skin irritation, eczema, or psoriasis, castor oil can bring much-needed relief. Its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties calm redness, itching, and flakiness. Apply a thin layer to the affected area and let it absorb fully for maximum hydration. You can even combine it with aloe vera for an extra cooling effect. Castor oil also helps restore the skin barrier, speeding up the healing process. Unlike chemical-based creams, it's gentle and free from harmful additives. With consistent use, you'll notice smoother, less irritated skin. This natural remedy is perfect for tackling tough skin problems without harsh side effects. Number 9. Improves lip health. Dry, chapped lips don't stand a chance against castor oil. This rich, natural emollient hydrates and nourishes, leaving your lips soft and smooth. Apply a drop directly to your lips or mix it with honey for a hydrating lip mask. It's also a great base for DIY lip balms and scrubs. Castor oil penetrates deeply, healing cracks and preventing further dryness. Unlike synthetic lip products, it doesn't just coat the surface, it actually repairs your lips. Use it daily for a glossy, healthy finish. With castor oil in your routine, you'll never worry about dry lips again. Finally, number 10. Stimulates eyelash and eyebrow growth. Want fuller lashes and brows? Castor oil is your natural solution. Its nourishing fatty acids strengthen hair follicles, encouraging growth and preventing breakage. Use a clean spoolie or cotton swab to apply a small amount to your lashes and brows every night. Be consistent, and you'll start to see results within weeks. It's a cost-effective alternative to expensive growth serums and is completely free of harsh chemicals. Not only does it promote growth, but it also conditions and strengthens the hairs you already have. Flaunt bold, beautiful brows and lashes with just a touch of castor oil. Your eyes will steal the show. Castor oil is truly a powerhouse of natural remedies, offering benefits for your skin, hair, and overall health. From promoting hair growth and soothing irritated skin, to relieving joint pain and supporting digestive health, this versatile oil has stood the test of time. Its rich nutrients, anti-inflammatory properties, and natural healing abilities make it an essential addition to your wellness routine. Best of all, it's affordable, chemical-free, and easy to use. Whether you're addressing specific concerns or just looking to enhance your self-care regimen, castor oil can make a real difference. Remember to use it consistently and in moderation to see the best results. Nature has provided us with an incredible tool in castor oil. Why not give it a try and experience its benefits for yourself? Your body will thank you.